Got our list ready. Hey, well, that's good, Ralph. I appreciate that. I appreciate that feedback. Alrighty, let's go through our list here. I'm not going to spend too terribly long going through the list. I feel like everybody, for the most part, knows who they have, since it's Pick Your Player, but I still like to go through it. This one's been out there a while, so some of you may have forgotten who you had, which is certainly understandable. Alrighty. Let's open our box and see who we get. I like to cut these here on the side. Oh, that glare was bad. Well, that was a thunderous noise. And upside down. Chipper Jones. Hit Kings. How nice is that? 12 of 15. Get this box out of my darn way here. Chipper. Well, that's a nice improvement over our last couple. Nice blue on-card signature. Serial number 12 of 15. Not too shabby there. So, let's see who had Chipper in the break. I'm pretty sure somebody had Chipper. Let's take a look and see. Yep, it goes to Jost Tuck 9796. Congratulations on that. Excellent. All right. Let's take another look at that chipper. Alrighty. Well, that concludes our 2019 Topps Luminaries Baseball Pick Your Player One Box Break number 3. Thanks to all of you that bought spots in the break. As always, we certainly appreciate it. Thanks to those of you that joined us live on the feed this evening. And we'll be back here in about 9 minutes with our 2017 Donruss Optic Football Blaster Box Random Pack Break number 1. Thanks again, everybody. Yes, that's right. Yeah, Brian. Yeah, the ones that you see in the gray with the red lettering are website only, so you can go there and find those. Now it looks like Ralph took our last 3 spots in our optic football. So I'm going to go ahead and get that set up. Luckily the list is not very long because it's a 6-pack box. Oh, that's all right, Brian. It's all good. Let's see here. All right. Get our random set.